Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best settings to use when trading the Chande Oscillator. So here's the Chande Oscillator down here. It's going to be this yellow line that oscillates back and forth between the negative 100 and positive 100 mark over here on the right hand side. So once again, what we want to do is we want to come in here into the settings and mess around with the inputs to find out what the best settings are going to be, what this length line and the signal line are going to be for us to get the most amount of profit when trading this indicator. So this is the BTC USD chart, and we're going to be back testing the 1 hour chart. Since it's the 1 hour chart, we're going to use a stop loss of 2.4% and a take profit of 2.4%, which is half of the ATR of the entire back test. Okay, so if we were to use the default settings, which is set at 9, and we have a signal line of 21, we would be up 9.09%, which doesn't sound too bad, but let's look at the actual details of what happens. So you see that the strategy starts out great. We're making money, we're making profit, we're going all the way up here, and then all of a sudden it just kind of takes a dump and it's coming back the other side this way. So let's see if we can make that better. So this is what you guys came to watch. So let's change the length and the signal line. So here's the settings that we're going to do. We're going to change the signal line. Actually, we're going to change the length to 72 and the signal line to 59. So this is 72 and this is 59. Okay, so that would give us a net profit of 98.51%, which is a lot better than the 9% originally with the default settings. So you can see here, we start going up. We don't quite come down as much, as drastically as, or I should say as dramatically as we did with the default settings, but then we start coming back up, we come up quite a bit, right? So this is what you're going to want to be using. Length set at 72, signal line set at 59. All right, let me come down here so you guys can see kind of what that looks like, and that's what it looks like. So you're going to be getting a bunch of trades. The cool thing about this is you're not going to be getting signals here, right? So as the price starts to dump, you don't get these signals. Price starts to kind of slow to come down this way, you're not getting buy signals. You do get a ton of buy signals when the price is going up, so that's pretty nice. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. If you think you're ready to start trading the best strategies that I found and the ones that I personally use, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and check them out. Those are more made for the people who have already been trading a little bit and they're ready to just take their trading to the next level. All right, like always, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.